Hello there. Right, what I'm showing again here is the tap connection, because obviously everybody's asking about information and everything else. So on the system itself, what this is, we've got 3/4 BSP at this side here. Now some people have the tank enclosed and it means it won't move so easily, so when they're trying to connect and start screwing T's on different things, it's hard to work with. So the whole idea of this is using a split union, which we'll show you when now it comes in bits and how simple it is. So on a split union, what happens is the whole lot just unscrews. So if you unscrew it from this point here, it all spins around. So you can connect that into the tap, into a fitting. You don't have to screw that and turn the whole lot as you're working with a split union. Yeah, this can go into the tank itself, and then the whole lot of this can screw in separate afterwards. Because like I say, this nut, bit of PTFE tape around it, and how it works, it all turns, it all spins. It's a special setup, so you just simply put PTFE tape into the system, fix this in place, and then tighten this onto it. So it's so easy to work with. So on this system we've got here on this, it's all 1/2 inch all the way through. Perfect for a Kranzle setup working off a tank. We've got the click connect system here. Now this is the same as a Gardini end male, so it's identical but far superior quality. You've got the tap and you've got both taps there. You've got the female that goes into there on a quick release and a 1/2 inch hose tail. That's also a 1/2 inch hose tail. This can be set also in a different way. So say you're working on the system itself, if you wanted to, there's nothing to stop this being connected to the pressure washer and this with a hose on that goes out the door, whichever suits yourself. Like I say, or if you needed to, we can supply one of these, and also the part that goes onto the actual machine itself, the male, with a 3/4 female BSP thread. This can also be turned around, which I'm going to show you in a second or two, so it works in all different angles and different ways. So with the same fittings, what we've done is set up again. Now when we send it out obviously you PTFE tape and build it all together. So the same fittings that we've just been using before, what we've done is tap fitting that goes into the tank. So that's the tank side, 3/4 BSP. Then got this one here, same again, and the quick release. Like I say, that can go to the pressure washer, it can come out the door, same as what customers have on the tap ends. It's the same end, and then you've got your hose barb. Nothing stops us if you asked, we could actually supply that with both ends, with 2 of them. Like I say, that's the setup that we're doing here. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that split end makes life so easy. Thank you very much.